Hi guys, DisneyToysReview here. Today we have Paw Patrol. This is Rubble Lights and Sounds. Wow, look at Rubble sitting up there. I haven't seen one that sits before. Whoa, lights and sounds and moving action. You can also get the Rocky Lights and Sounds vehicle, and I bet a whole lot more. Rubble to the rescue! Let's open Rubble up. Wow, I really like this Rubble. Look, he's sitting down. You can look this way, or he can look this way, or even straight ahead. You can see he has his action badge, he has his hard hat on, he has his action pack, and he has a cute little tail, and he's sitting down on his legs. Only his front legs move. Of course, if you do that, you just make him fall over. Oh! So, that's probably for when he's in his bulldozer. Let's get him into his bulldozer now. And let's check out his new bulldozer. It looks like some of the other ones we've had. It has a nice bucket. You can fit lots of things inside. And on the back you have your drill. And my favorite part is the lights and sounds. Let's check out the lights. So that's really cool. It has lots of sounds, doesn't it? Woohoo! We love sounds. Choo, 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 choo. I've got the biggest bulldozer. It is so big. Don't you think it's the biggest and the best? I think it's the biggest. Hey, that wasn't my truck. What was that from?
It's your hard hat.
Who's coming? I've got my hard hat. Who's talking to me? Ah! Whoa!
Back it up!
Okay, so I don't think I'm the biggest. I think that is bigger than me. Let's see who it is. Look, it's George. And he's driving a Caterpillar bulldozer. I thought I was big, but he is bigger than me. That's a really cool bulldozer. Well, thank you. It's lots of fun to drive it, too. I'm so glad I got to come and do it. Can I sit in your bulldozer? No problem. Yay! Wow! This is a big bulldozer. I love it.
Ready for work? Let's build something.
I wonder what this lever does. Let's see. Hey George, did you see that other bulldozer? Yeah, it's not big at all. It's small. Let's take a closer look. Wow, it's very small. It was so small it could fit inside of your cup. I bet I could fit inside too. Let's see. Ooh, I can. Let's see if the bulldozer fits next to me. That's really neat. Take me up, Rubble. Wow, that was awesome. Thanks, Rubble. We have so many vehicles and so many bulldozers, it's hard to know which one is the best. Well, all of them are great fun and all of them do good work. I think so. Wow. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys. Wow, should we go play with our trucks again? Yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun. Which one do you want to drive? I want to drive the biggest one.